this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. And without any delay, let's get started with the video. And this is not one of the usual coding videos. This is quite techy, but this is not one of the usual coding videos. As you all know, Wordle is right now a very popular game, as the New York Times bought it for over $1 million, and everybody right now is a fan of it. You every day get a new word, like any 5-letter word, and you have 6 lives, and you have to guess that word in Wordle. Right, so if you just want to know more about it, you can go on powerlanguage.co.uk Wordle, and it will just give you some instructions in the beginning. And what we are gonna do today, we are gonna learn how we can beat the game, how we can win the game. First try every time. So how can we win if in first try every time? A very simple hack behind this. I've just figured out a very simple hack. So right, so without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so right now over here, this is a new Wordle game. I haven't played it till now. You choose one word that you always want to enter. For example, about, right? I'm adding about. Right, so this was about, right, and I've done it to some other type of mode. I'll write about 5 more times. Second, and now the game is over, and the word was humor. The word was humor. I could not guess it. Now you must be thinking how stupid I am. I've just added about so many times and nothing happened. The word was humor. Now we know the word. But if I reload this site, you'll see I cannot play this game once again. And I want to show off with my friends that I won the game on first try. How can I? So what you need to do, you need to open developer tools, right? You need to open developer tools, and Wordle uses local storage. Wordle uses local storage to save whether or not we have played today's game or not. So what else do? I'll do local storage dot clear, and I'll clear the local storage. Now it's cleared. Now I reload this, and you'll see that a new game has just loaded in front of us, and today's word was humor. So if we just had humor over here, press enter, voila, we are genius. And then we can just share this, and if the copied thing is this, so this is what was copied. So I can share this with my friends that I beat the game in first try, and they will wonder how. Just how? By this simple hack. Now I beat the game once again. Let's see the local storage a bit. So in here, over here, so how does this work? Like when we cleared it, how really it worked? So over here we have board state equals humor. Right, so we have given board. So over here there's the board state. There's a board state that is defining all the moves that are played. So over here humor is played, and then everything is empty. Then we have evaluation restoring from local storage, and its value is basically null. Then we have hard mode equals false. So this is not in hard mode. Dark theme is true. Statistics is current streak 1, max streak 1, guesses 1, and then games played 1, games won 1, average guesses 1, right? And then the dark theme is true. Game stat is board state, and all. So if I just do like I'll move my video over here. And let's just try to do more with this. If I do local storage dot board state, dot set item board state equals to empty string, right? So now let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm not doing this right. Board state, oh sorry, to empty string. Then let's see. Then if I reload the game, no, board state isn't doing this, but you did see the simple hack. Just clear the local storage. Just do local storage dot clear because Wordle is keeping track whether we have played the game or not of today by local storage. Just clear local storage. Be the winner in first try, right? And show off among your friends that you are the winner first try. So this was a simple hack for Wordle to win it every single time. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button, and please don't misuse this like information. Please do use it to show off with your friends, but don't misuse it, right? So in any means, don't misuse this information. This is just fun and just to show off among your friends. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye.